Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic longitudinal section of kidney. So our kidney, that is also known as the human kidney or the mammalian kidney. So it is present in the last thoracic and the third lumbar vertebrae of our vertebral column, and it is present in our abdominal cavity. So what is the size of the kidney? It is 10 to 12 centimeter in length, 5 to 7 centimeter in width, and 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness. It is the, you can say, the reddish organ, and it is the bean shaped organ. So today we will discuss the longitudinal section. Longitudinal means if we cut the section of the kidney like this in the longitudinal direction, then what are the different parts we will see in the kidney. So the kidney, that is covered with a tough layer, and that tough layer is known as capsule, and renal word is related to the kidney. So every part we are writing the renal along with that part. So renal word is related to the kidney. So renal capsule, it is the tough part. Then we can say in the kidney, the outer region of the kidney, that is means it is divided into the two chamber. The outer, that is the cortex, and the inner, that is the medulla. So we can say it is the cortex region and it is the medulla region. Next, kidney, that is, you can say, in the inner surface it has the concave side, and that concave side have a notch. So that notch, that is known as the hilum. This notch, and means from this hilum the blood vessels, the ureter and the nerves, all these entering. So here also we can write renal word, renal hilum. Okay, like here this pelvis is there, so renal pelvis. So hilum is here, and from the hilum the ureter. What is the ureter? The tube or the vessel that is connected to the kidney, and that collect the final urine from the kidney. Then this hilum, it is joined with a funnel shaped structure, and that funnel shaped structure, that is known as renal pelvis. So this funnel shaped structure is known as renal pelvis, and this renal pelvis then give rise to different branches like these branches. So these branches are known as the renal calyx. फ्लावर्स के केस में हम लिखते हैं कैलेक्स, कैलेक्स हम बोलते हैं सेपल्स को. तो इसी तरह से आप इस वर्ड को याद रख सकते हो. कैलेक्स मीन्स कि इसको एक फ्लावर अगर हम माने तो इसका जो फर्दर ब्रांचिंग है, तो इसको आप क्या बोल दो कि कैलेक्स और द कैलिक्सेस. देन these calyxes have the pyramid, means the medulla part of the kidney have the pyramid like structures, and these pyramid like structures are known as medullary pyramids. Because these pyramids are present in the medulla, so we can say the medullary pyramids. So that is the diagram of the longitudinal section of the kidney, and in the hilum the blood vessels are also entering. So this is the renal vein, and it is the renal artery. Renal artery carry the waste, means because it only have the oxygen, but waste is present in the renal artery, so it supply the blood to the kidney, and in the kidney the filtration takes place. The filtration of the blood takes place, and finally the urine is collected, and that urine is collected in the ureters, and then finally it goes in the ureter, and then it is collected in the urinary bladder, and finally it is removed from our body. So that is the longitudinal section of kidney. So let's revise. The outer layer or the outer tough layer, that is the capsule, so renal capsule. It is divided into two zones, outer cortex and inner is the medulla. So cortex and the medulla. In the medulla there are the pyramid like structures, and these pyramid like structures are medullary pyramids. Then these medullary pyramids, they are joined with the branching structures, and these branching structures are renal capsule. Then hilum is present. This hilum means the concave side have the aperture, that is the hilum. This hilum then give rise to a funnel shaped structure. That funnel shaped structure is renal pelvis, and this renal pelvis give rise to the renal calyx. So these are the different parts of in kidney, and that is the longitudinal section of kidney. Thank you.